Hello everyone, welcome to Windows 10 video. In this video we are going to see that how can you turn on a high performance mode in your Windows 10 PC. So let us just start with the video. What you need to do is just press Windows R from your keyboard or just right click on the settings and start icon and select run. Then this kind of a run menu would open up. In this run menu, type in powercfg.cpl all in small powercfg.cpl and click on OK. Once you do that, the power options window will open in front of you. Now here you need to select the plan. If in your case you are getting some high performance or ultra high performance plan available as well, just select that particular plan and you should be good to go. But in your case also, if it is just showing the balanced plan that is recommended, as in my case, then what you need to do is just go to change plan settings, change advanced power settings and go to processor power management. Make sure the minimum processor state on battery and plugged in is 5% and the maximum processor state on battery and plugged in is 100%. Once you are satisfied with those values, just click on OK, and that means your PC is optimized for the highest performance. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.